How is a statute different from other laws? Imagine walking into a courtroom and hearing a judge refer to a law that everyone must follow. That law is a statute, but what makes it stand out from other types of laws? Let's find out. A statute is a law that is officially written and passed by a legislative body like the United States Congress or a state legislature. Once they approve it, the law is written down, organized, and published so everyone can see it clearly. It is considered primary legal authority because it is created through a formal process, and once signed by the president or governor, it becomes law. Now, other laws are different. For example, common law is made by judges when they decide cases. These decisions set examples for future cases, and over time, they form a body of law called common law. This type of law evolves based on how judges interpret legal disputes rather than through written rules. Then there is regulatory or administrative law. These laws are made by government agencies like the Environmental Protection Agency or the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. They create rules to enforce laws in specific areas, such as pollution control or workplace safety. These laws are not made directly by legislatures but are based on authority granted by statutes. The highest form of law is constitutional law. It comes from a country's constitution, which sets the basic rules for government and protects individual rights. All statutes and other laws must follow the Constitution, or they can be declared invalid by courts. From a courtroom perspective, statutes are very important because they give clear rules that judges and lawyers rely on. Judges interpret what the words in a statute mean and how they apply to specific cases. They cannot ignore or change the law unless it conflicts with the Constitution. Once a law is passed, it goes through stages. First, it is issued as a slip law, which is a single law passed on a specific day. Then, it is collected into session laws, which gather all laws passed during a legislative session. Finally, it is organized into codes, like the United States Code, which groups laws by subject. This organization helps lawyers and judges find the exact law they need quickly. To sum up, a statute is a law created by a legislative body, written down, and organized systematically. It is different from laws made by judges or government agencies. Statutes hold a primary position in the legal system and are essential in courtrooms because they set the rules everyone must follow.